Yes, going through the problem, 48 divided by 6 of 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into 1 2 by 3 is equals to how much? Option A 25, option B 25 1 by 9, 26 1 by 9, option D 26. Right, again back. So now we are going to solve. First, according to the BODMAS principle, first preference should be given for the brackets. We don't have any brackets. Off, O for off. Yes, we have off. So first preference should be given for the off. Now off is nothing but simply multiplying, right? Simply multiplying. So now 3 into 1, 3 2s are, right? I hope you understood. 3 1s are, 3 2s are. Plus, next, it should be given for division. Now 48 divided by 2, it is like 24, right? 24 plus 2 by 3 into 1 2 by 3. 1 2 by 3 is nothing but 3 into 1, 3 plus 2, 5 by 3 is equals to 24 plus 5 into 2, 10 by 9, right, is equals to 24 plus 1 point, again 10 is nothing but 1 by 9. 24 plus 1 by 9. 9 into 1, 9 plus 1, 10 by 9. 10 by 9. 24 plus 1 by 9 is nothing but 25 1 by 9. 25 1 by 9. So answer is option B. I hope you understood, right? Next problem is 15 bracket 16 of 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 2. So here the bracket has been given. According to the BODMAS, first preference should be given for the brackets. Yes, first preference should be given for the bracket, inside the bracket. Next it is off. Yeah, we have the off here. Off is nothing but simply multiplying. Now 16 into 3 by 4. 4 1s are, 4 4s are. 4 1s are, 4 4s are. 4 3s are 12. It is 12. 12 divided by 1 by 2. 12 divided by 1 by 2. Simply nothing but 12 divided by 1 by 2 is nothing but 12 into a reverse होता है 2 by 1 is equals to 24. Now it is 24. Now it is 15 into 24. I hope you understood, right? So the answer is 360. I hope you understood. 15 into 24, 360. Next question is 48 divided by 6 of 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into 1 2 by 3 is equals to how much? Option A, option B, option C, option D. Now, chalo, let us start. Now first, according to the BODMAS first preference should be given for the brackets. We don't have any brackets. No brackets. Next, O, off. Off we have? Yes, we have off here. So, off is nothing but simply multiply. So 6 into 1 by 3, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, right? Next preference should be given for division. 48 divided by 2, 24. 24. Yes? So 24 plus 2 by 3 into 5 by 3 is nothing but, again back, 24. 24 plus 10 by 9. 24 plus 10 by 9 is nothing but 1 by 9. 25 by 1 by 9. It is the same problem we discussed. Again I am revising so that you will be understanding, right? Next question. 3 into 0.4 plus 8 divided by 0.2 plus 12 into 0.02 is equals to how much? Option A, option B, option C, option D. Now, so we start. First preference should be given for brackets. According to the BODMAS, no brackets in the question. No brackets. Next, off. We don't have off. Next we have division, right? Yes. So first preference should be given for the division. 8 divided by 0.2 is nothing but 8 divided by 2 by 10 is equals to 8 into 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fours are is equals to 4 into 10 40. So it is 40, right? Next preference should be given for multiplication. So 3 into 0.4 1.2 1.2, and next preference should be given for multiplication. 12 into 0.02, right? 12 into 0.02. Now this is a 12 into 2 by 100. 12 into 2 by 100 is equals to 12 to the 24. 24 by 100, right? 24 0.24. 0.24. So this is our value. Now total value 41 41.44. 1.2 40 0.24 41.44. The correct answer is option B. Option B is the correct answer. I hope you understood. Next question. 96 divided by 2 into bracket 9 by 8 of 4 by 3 divided by 3 by 4 of 2 by 3. First preference should be given for brackets. Yes, within the bracket we have off, right? 9 by 8 of 4 by 3. Off is nothing but simple multiplication. Divided by 3 by 4 of 2 by 3. Again simple multiplication. 3 ones are 3 threes are 4 ones are 4 twos are. Here 3 ones are 3 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are. So we have here, so what we have, 96 divided by 12 into 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, right, is equals to 96 divided by 2 into, now if you divide it, it is 8 into, so 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. How much? 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Nothing but 2 cancel. 8 3s are 24. So option A is the correct answer. I hope you understood, right? If you understand, you just subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. You share the channel, subscribe the channel. Next question. 11 minus 5 bracket close into bracket open 12 plus flower bracket 13 plus 18 minus vinculum 11 minus 5 brackets close. How much? क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड इन टेट टीचर एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट 2013 में पूछा गया था ये क्वेश्चन अड़िनारू. दिस क्वेश्चन हैज बीन आस्क्ड इन द टेट 2013 क्वेश्चन. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. लाइक फर्स्ट यू गो विथ vinculum, you know vinculum, right? The bar signal. So we have to consider only the numbers, not the sign. So this minus is not really required. You go with the numbers. So the vinculum, the bar under which under the numbers under which the bar, the bar under which the numbers have been drafted, we have to consider. So though now the value is, first we have to consider the vincular. Since it is V BODMAS, first we have to consider vinculum. So under vinculum we have 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 is nothing but 6, right? Next, minus of 18 we have, okay, 18 of yes, plus 13 we have, again we have 12, yes. So yes, into 11 minus 5, 11 minus 5 it is 6, yes, 6 into, again we go back, 18 minus 6, 12 plus 13 we have, again we have 12, plus, right? Cool. Now 13 plus 12, 25. 25 plus 12, 37 into 6. 37 into 6 is nothing but 42 to 2. 222 is the answer. Our next question is 50 plus open bracket 100 minus open bracket 35 minus 30 minus 20 bracket close into 2. So we have to solve. The value is like, first of all, according to the board mass, we have to calculate the value which is under brackets. Now starting with here, 30 minus 20 is 10. Yeah, 35 minus 10, it is 25. Now 100 minus 25, it is 75. It is like 50 plus 75 into 2, right? According to the board mass, first multiplication. Yeah, we have the multiplication. 50 plus 75 into 2, 150 is equals to 200. I hope you got the answer, right? Option D is the correct answer. Last question we are solving. This 4 by 5 into 3 by 6 divided by 4 by 9 plus 3 by 5. So according to the BODMAS principle, we have to first take care of brackets. So what is this under brackets? 4 by 9 plus 3 by 5. So common LCM is 45, right? 45. So 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are. So again here 4 into 5, 20 plus 5, 45, 5 into 9, 45. 5 into 9, and 3 into 9, 27, right? Right, beautiful. So what is the value? 20 plus 27, it is 47 by 45. Now 4 by 5 into 3 by 6 divided by 47 by 45 is equals to 4 by 5 into 3 by 6 divided by 47 by 45 is equals to 4 by 5 into 3 by 6 into 45 by 47, right? Now the value is 3 2s are 3 15s are 2 1s are 2 2s are, right? 5 1s are 5 3s are, right? It is like 2 into 3 6, 6 into 3 18 by 47 is the final answer. I hope you understood. If you have any doubts, please feel free to put on the comments. We are waiting for your comments. If you like the video, you subscribe to the channel, you will be getting future notifications. I hope you understood. But don't forget to share to your friends. Share and subscribe the channel and press on the bell button, so you will be getting notifications. I hope you understood. Thank you. Vande Mataram. Thank you.